Good morning, this is Mr. Massey. Welcome to this edition of Online Algebra 2 on the pre-AP level. We're going to jump in where we left off before our spring break. We're on page 677. And the first thing we want to do is take these formulas and make some alternate formulas. So we're going to go with this. This is the mother load sequence formula right there. So once you get this done, take a picture of it. I'll give you a grade on it. Send it to me. Please send it on Google Classroom. We'll have to all figure out how to do that. I haven't used Google Classroom until now, so we'll just all learn this together. As long as you're trying, you won't be zapped. You can schedule tutorials with me. Here in the first few days, we'll all figure out how this works, and it'll get streamlined. So for the sequence formula, right now it's solved for AN. Well, it might be nice if I had one for A1. So if I took that original formula and I wanted to solve for A1, I would just need to divide by R to the n minus 1 power. Then I'm going to write A1 on the left. There's the nth term. R is the common ratio. And here's your formula for A1. So if you ever need A1, look on here and find an A1 formula. If they tell you to solve for A1, look on there and see if you can find one. Let's see if we can get this a little brighter. Okay. Now maybe we should solve for, I don't know, let's think about this. Do I really need to solve for n up here or for r? We'd have to do the root of n minus 1. That might be a little tedious. So for right now, until we need it, let's just stop right there with an A1 formula. And then let's come over to this one. And here's two mother load formulas right here. For Sn is the series of the first n terms. Series means we're going to add them together. So let's take this top one and let's solve it for A1. Well, if I wanted to solve this for A1, I would probably want to flip all of this over. That's a 1 right there on both sides. And then this one would divide this one, and this one would divide this one. I'm going to write A1 on the left. I would get A1. And it would be equal to Sn times 1 minus r, which is the common ratio, over 1 minus r to the nth power. And that would give me an alternate formula for A1. And then when we need other formulas on these, what we'll do is we'll just come back to this page right here. So don't do any more work on this page. And when we need another formula, we'll just come back and derive the formula we're going to need here. They're going to ask me to find a variety of things. So as we pull problems up, we'll just do it that way. And there you go, and over and out. This is a formula page. You'll get a grade for this, so make sure you take notes on it. And every time we add something to it, you'll get a grade for that too. So this will be easy. Just take notes on this one, and I'll be back.